Hey everyone, to solve this problem, 18 times 19 times 20 times 21 plus 21 is equal to m square. You have to find the value of m. Here, m is equal to 18 times 19 times 20 plus into 21 plus 21. You have to shift plus 1 to the left hand side, it becomes minus 1. This number remains as it is. It is in the form of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. M square minus 1 we can m square minus 1 we can write it as m plus 1, m minus 1 is equal to this number we have to write as it is. Let put x is equal to 18. You have to take x is equal to 18. M plus 1, m minus 1 is equal to 18. We can write it as x. 19 we can write it as x plus 1 because we assume that x is equal to 18. 20 we can write it as x plus 2. 21 we can write it as x plus 3. Here, take these two, we get x plus 1 times x plus 2. They take these two, x times x plus 3. Next, x multiply these two, x into x, x square, x times 1 is x, plus 2 1 is 2, 2 times x is 2x. Solve this bracket, x into x, x square, plus 3 times x is 3x. Here, m plus 1, m minus 1 as it is. Here, x square, 2x plus x, 3x plus 2 as it is. This number as it is. You have to take m minus 1, x square plus 3x, one equation. M plus 1 is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2, another equation. Plus first you have to take m plus 1, x square plus 3x plus 2. Shift plus 1 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 1. Therefore, x square plus 3x, 2 minus 1, 1. Therefore, m is equal to x square plus 3x plus 1. Next, m minus 1 is equal to x square plus 3x. Minus 1 shift to the right hand side, it becomes plus 1. X square plus 3x plus 1. Therefore, m is equal to, recall x is equal to, put x is equal to 18 in the equation. 18 square plus 3 times x plus 1. 18 square we get 324. 3 times 18 is 54 plus 1 as it is. When you add this number, we get m is equal to 379. Therefore, that's our answer. M is equal to 379 is our answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.